Load your family into the 2015 Dodge Journey. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Dodge are offered, including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, front fog lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.